My name is Sharia Hussain, and I am the project in charge of this facility. Every day the grid goes down for several hours. Before we installed the ESS, whenever there was a power outage from the REB supply, several machines in our yarn dyeing section were affected, resulting in fabric wastage and color shade issues. After an REB, the grid power failure, it usually took around 4 to 5 minutes for the generator to start. During this transition, a significant amount of fabric was damaged. Also, we were running diesel generators, but after fuel prices went up, the cost became increasingly expensive to operate.
To solve this, we deployed the GWTime 125 kilowatts / 225 kilowatt hours all-in-one energy storage system. This all-in-one ESS integrates PCS, LFP battery, BMS, STS, and EMS into a single cabinet. It can be charged from both the utility grid and solar power simultaneously, providing greater flexibility and energy efficiency. When the grid fails, the STS enables seamless power switching to keep critical loads running. The machines don't stop. Our solution starts with 2 hours of backup time, and the backup duration can be customized by increasing or decreasing the battery capacity.
Since installation, when REB power is interrupted, the ESS provides seamless backup, allowing us to continue operations for 3 to 4 hours. During the first 30 days after commissioning, we had 0 production stoppages. We have been able to eliminate the fabric damage that previously occurred during power interruptions. It gave us such confidence and are currently installing 2 additional ESS units. If they continue to perform well, we plan to install more in the future.
With GWTime, we control our own power and our own production schedule.
If your facility faces the same challenges, GWTime can help.